video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can use Trello for yourself in the easiest and most simplest ways possible. So to do this, what you're going to do is, first of all, you're going to come to Trello.com, create an account. Now, to use Trello, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Create, and you can actually create a board. So you're going to click on Create a Board, and once you click on Create a Board, you're going to enter any board title for yourself and get that board up and running. Now, once you get that board up and running, so let's say I've created this board for myself, right? I'm going to go straight into this board. It's going to look somewhat like this, okay? Now, how do you add things in this? So to add components, first of all, you're going to click on list, and look at that. You can add lists for yourself. So, it's pretty easy to add lists. Then in the lists, you can add cards and just keep on adding more cards. And to edit those cards, you're going to click on them, and you can change their descriptions, you can change their activity statuses, and you can change every other aspect of it, like members, labels, checklist, dates, attachment, cover, custom fields, dependency estimation, and all these things. Pretty straightforward and pretty easy stuff to get your head around.